Eliminex here. We're in an attic. We caught 6 raccoons so far, 5 outside and 1 in the attic. I did all the seal up, and we sealed up a raccoon in the attic after we didn't hear any noise for a couple weeks or no activity outside. Did the final seal up, and then it turned out there was a raccoon, and we caught him right here. So a week later, they haven't heard anything, but we set another trap, and I tied it down so it won't move. It's all strapped in and screwed in on the side, so if it thrashes around, it won't make it like it did the last trap. It made it into the insulation. So hopefully there's nothing up here, but if there is, then we'll catch it. I got the trap smart sensor right here, so the lanyard will talk to this box. I'm going to put the transmitter downstairs. I already tested it, and I put the bait, so that way if we catch it, we'll know exactly right away that we caught something up here. Of course the noise is going to let them know, but they work all day, so the light will be on. They'll let me know, and I'll be able to rescue it like right away. And that's that.